Put your hand in your mouth. Like that. Yeah, you almost found it. Keep trying. Yep, you found it. Yay, Thomas. Do you like when I tickle your feet? Boo!
Hi, Popeye.
Hi, Popeye. Do you want to come give him a hug? Do you want to hold him? You want to hold him? Okay, put your arms out.
Bobby.
You want the boppy?
Bobby.
Okay. Here's the boppy.
Bobby.
And here's the baby. Oh, how nice. Can you give him a kiss? Oh, that's very good. Can you give him a hug? Oh, how nice. Can you smile at Thomas? You're all done?
Done.
Okay. Let's put him back here.
Done.
All done. Gonna give him a hug like that? You're all done?
Can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Emma.
Emma.
Say bye-bye, Duda.
Doda.
Oh, see, yep. There's the camera. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.